Yun yung first, no, yung legacy. If you
Mhm.
do not have the right mindset, it will affect your feelings and then it will affect your behavior. So, crazy cycle siya. So, next to this na inano ko is, pag okay na yung mindset mo, yung dalawang major na binanggit ko, hindi ka magko-compromise. You will
Mm.
live without compromising, no, living without compromising. I'm not saying perfection kasi
Mm.
wala
Wala
namang
naman 'yan
holy
kasi
sa atin.
apart from God
Pero
wala niyan. Mm.
yes, but because we know that we are fallen by nature, no, that's the time you will understand the truth of dependence on the Lord.
Mm.
Kasi ideal na, alam mo na yung truth na, okay, Lord, my position is in you. Sige na lang. Yung dito, siguro bonus na lang kung magkaroon ako ng position,
Mm.
calling card, or kung ano mang na-display. And then, alam mo na rin na yung hirap ko is temporary. You are molding me. You are
Mm.
teaching me something dahil ang inheritance ko is nasa inyo. You have
Yes.
reserved a room, special room
Oo.
for me. So, dahil doon, hindi mo siya sasayangin
Mhm.
with we call it instant gratification.